Hey guys, today we're going to make a short video on installing your rear door assist shocks for the rear doors of the Maverick Max. We've done the front doors in a previous video. The front door kit is by EMP, Extreme Metal Products. They're a little bit different. The shocks are longer and it mounts a little differently, and I noticed I wanted to try the fronts first. And once I started looking at the fronts, I noticed the back that they would not work on the back doors without major modifications. So I did find these. This kit is actually for the front or rear. You just have to buy two sets. It is by Kemi Moto. They make a lot of pretty good stuff. I mean, most of this, it's really heavy duty. You know, it's aluminum anodized, and it's got the shock's a lot smaller, but we're going to install these on the back door. The only thing you have to do is you have to drill one hole. Everything else is basically you just remove bolts that are already there and install them. So it comes with basically the gas cylinder and two brackets that actually is going to mount one to the main door, or the main machine, and the other one's going to mount to the door. And then it comes with the hardware provided to do that. All right, the first thing we do is take these two bolts out that are holding the top bracket to the door. So we'll remove these, and we're going to put our top bracket on top and put the bolts right back. And this is it's a 13 millimeter bolt. All right, your door will fall a little bit, but it's got the bottom hinge to hold it. So what you'll do is you'll take your bracket. They've got like a counter recess part on this side, and then your pin is going to be on the bottom. So you just set your bolts right down in there. So you just kind of pick up on your door. Get this one started by hand. Put the other one in. Okay, once you get them started, what you'll do is you'll just kind of get it started good. And then you need to close the door. Lift up on it, kind of close it, and then tighten them down, because that way it'll be even when you close the door. All right. Okay, next we're going to remove this bolt. This is actually a Torx 30, so we're going to take this one screw out. The nut on the back's kind of held in. So anyway, it should stay there, but just remove this. And also, guys, if you like this video and the videos prior, just hit a like at the bottom, and please subscribe to our channel. But so I'll remove this, remove that bolt there. Like I said, that's a Torx 30. And then now we'll take the other bracket that comes with this, and I'll take the new bolt, and I put the washer on the outside just because it's a longer bolt, and it gets a little close to the actual door skin, but not too bad. And this is what comes with this kit is an Allen head instead of the Torx, and it's a number 4 Allen. So what I'll do is I'll put that on there, just kind of hold it up like that and just snug it a little bit. Snug that, and then run it to about where it's even. There's like a little notch in it, and just run it where it's even with this top rail here. And this is where we're going to have to drill the hole. Basically, we're going to drill a 1/4 inch hole right here, and when you drill the hole, be careful not to go too far and go through and hit the skin. Got our 1/4 inch hole. hole. Now we take another bolt. This time we'll just put the flat washer on the back. We'll put the flat washer on the back and then the locking nut. It's a little tight back here. Okay, got it started. And now I'll take, the lock nut is a 10 millimeter. Basically, I'll put it on the ratchet and just snug that down good. Snug that one down good. And there's your second bracket. So now you just take your gas cylinder, and it basically has like a little lock-in kind of ring. Just stick it and pop it right up on there. Then you'll let your door shut just slightly. Turn it this way here. Pop it on there, and there you go. Now it's that's full open position. It's a little bit a little shy of the retention band here, but that's okay. It's got, you still have tons of room to get in and out, and it's nice and closes easily. And once those cylinders, those gas cylinders weaken a little bit, they'll get a little less bounce. The reason you're getting that's because they're so short. The throw on them so short and strong. But that helps out a ton, and that way the door is not slamming on you. So now all we have to do is we've actually just do the exact same do the same thing on the other door, and you'll have your back doors installed.